A sea-skimming operation is defined as a flight profile at a very low altitude with a straight flight path and constant IAS. A radar altimeter is used to measure the altitude above the surface with high precision to carry out this operation. When the sea-skimming operation is commanded, the aircraft descends to the predefined altitude, assuring its integrity. The autopilot commands the exit maneuver once the aircraft reaches the brake point or the operator aborts the maneuver. The autopilot allows two different ways of exiting: the fixed heading and the turned exit maneuver.